What's up, y'all? I am KANIN Cuisine, and I be cooking, we be eating. Today we gonna make a blackened salmon seasoned with spices you slick got in the cabinet right now. Instead of going to the store and buying some store-bought blackened seasoning, we gonna make our own from scratch. You heard me? Way better than store-bought. We gonna break down a whole slab of salmon. We gonna pan sear fillet, then finish it in the oven. You gonna be scared, but you gonna do it. You heard me. Oh yeah, it's another video from KANIN Cuisine. Whole slab of salmon right here. Whole slab. Right now, we finna cut it up. Now Miss Cuisine, she loves this piece right here. This is her piece only. Every time we cook salmon, she getting this piece right here. This is the tail piece. Take seasoning on very well. Don't take that long to cook in the pan. Then we got the belly meat right here. This is for the kids, or this could be a chef treat, or it could be for that person to be like, I don't like salmon. It's a fishy fish. I don't just know if I want none of this right there. But I taste it though. This steak piece right here, cause it don't really matter. You ain't gonna be hurt if you don't get none. But this right here, this part right here, this is the Rolls Royce of the slab. You're here. And you can measure by using 4 fingers. You should get about 4 good pieces off of here. And once you start cutting with the knife, don't stop. When you cut just like that, boom. If you get it going and you stop, you might not make it all the way through. But just in case, like this happened right here, you just hit it one more time, bam, it come on off. So once you get through with this, you should have 4 beautiful looking fillets of salmon. Now these pieces right here, you're gonna cook them in the pan and finish them in the oven because they're so big. But these are the pieces that carry the most juice. And these are my seasons right here. I don't know if you can read fast, but you need to read fast. If not, they're gonna be in the description box below the video. Use a whisk. You wanna break up all them clumps and lumps so that you can easily season the fish. And when you season this fillet, you're gonna season it very heavily because this is a rub. This ain't like putting salt and pepper. It's a rub. You're gonna make sure you put it on there heavy like you see that right there and pack it on in there. You see my jazz hands, I ain't got no special effects, so I had to use the jazz hand. Then I had to take me a little jerking break because, you know, I be having fun. You hear me? Time to cook this fish. In this pan, we got a grapeseed oil. You need to use a high heat oil, like a canola oil or vegetable oil. You know, something that can take some heat. Olive oil ain't gonna do it. Olive oil, the flavor gonna change. It's gonna burn up with the high heat you gonna need for this fish. But see, we trying to get the color on this thing. That's all we really trying to do. You know, most people, you know, try to cook the fish all the way in the pan. You really can't do that with blackened salmon because it's got that sugar in there, and that sugar gonna burn up. So the sugar is what make this quote unquote blackened color. And the paprika. The paprika gonna make that color too. So once we flip it, we're gonna get to basting it with this butter. With your garlic, you're gonna use fresh garlic, and you're gonna beat it just to bust it open. You ain't trying to let the raw garlic come up out the shell because you don't want to burn the garlic. You want to stay in the shell so it don't burn up on you. Throw your little thyme in there, whatever herb you like to have, and let it cook in the butter for a little bit before you start basting. A lot of people have pictures with raw herbs on top of their fish. That mean it ain't in the oil. You ain't use it. It's just pretty. We using these herbs. We sitting there for a reason. You hear me? Look at that. Look at that butter cooking all up in them nooks and crannies. Yeah, that's what you want. Then we gonna slap it in the oven. You hear me? Slap it in the oven. Keep it in there until it reaches the internal temperature of 125 to 130. And see, mine's 130. See, I'm through. And now we're gonna take it up out this oil, and we're gonna put it to the side to rest. But check this out. This oil that you use to cook the fish, that's a delicious oil to cook your vegetables in. I'm gonna put some asparagus in there for us. You know, you can do green beans. You can do all kind of stuff in that oil, so don't throw that away. You want to let it rest because you want all the juices to the outside of the fish to return to the center of the fish. That's what's gonna make it moist. People rush too fast and get the cutting on the fish too soon, and it's dry. But look at that, that's delicious. That's all you got to do. Is easy. You could do this too. So fire. Look at that. It look like you went somewhere, but you at home. That's what I'm talking about. Go on, be at home, cook it for yourself. Don't call me. Watch me eat this thing. Watch my face when I eat this. You're oh yeah. See how that flavor kicked on and my head turned. Yeah, but I had to dream a little taste about that little piece. But this is what you want. Made me laugh at myself. Ooh, I had to hit it one more time. Look at that face, so serious. Ooh wee. I had to break out with the Bill Cosby. You heard me? That's how you gonna be when you cook your own. You heard me? Needless to say, I ate all that fish. I smashed it before I even cooked the sides. I couldn't wait. It just was so impeccable. You heard me? But see, this is Miss Cuisine piece right here. I had to go and get her all the way together. You hear me? Her food all the way together. Delicious. Look like she went somewhere, but she at home with me. Ooh, it be Valentine's Day all the time at our house. Well, for her. Yeah, man. That's what you want. You gonna do this too. Blackened salmon with blackened asparagus.